Okay, it's Home Maintenance Masonry and Concrete. We're so thankful to be doing another job today. We're actually working on a concrete pool where the actual concrete is dropped. So right here, as I'm coming up, we have a crack right here. And what's happened is, as you can see right over here on this area of concrete, what's happened is it's actually dropped. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but that's raised up right there. See how that's all raised up? That whole section right there, where Hunter's walking, it's dropped. I'll show it to you what I'm talking about. What we're having to do is we're going to come in here and raise all this up and raise the actual concrete up. But you can see right here, this whole section's dropped, and this part right here is raised up. Let me show you a little different angle. Can you see how that's raised up and that side's dropped? Well, and plus Joey showed me right here, it's dropped pretty bad. See, it's almost dropped right at about 2 inches right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise that area right there up. So this section is going to be raised up. So where Joey's starting at right here, Hunter's starting at, basically what we're going to do is we're going to dig up underneath it. And we're going to get it ready to go. And we're going to do an awesome job. Hey, hold just a second, baby. Hold on just 1 minute. I'll call you right back. So, anyway, once we dig up underneath this, what we're going to do is we've got bricks and blocks and concrete and all kinds of stuff that we're going to put up underneath it, and I'll show you what we're talking about doing. So here is our concrete. This is high-strength concrete. This is all we use, high-strength concrete. We have all the concrete we're going to mix up. We've got all kinds of fill, bricks and blocks and all kinds of stuff that we're going to be putting up underneath this. But the first thing we got to do is we got to get it dug out, and we're going to put a jack. We're going to put 2 jacks on this, not just one. We're going to put 1 jack on this side and 1 jack on that side. Now, when we raise this up, this area over here is going to come down. Once we do that, stabilize it, then we're going to put the concrete, all that stuff up underneath it. So, and also, we're also going to do this side right here too. I don't know if you can see this, but we're going to continue to dig this out all the way around. We're going to do the same thing right here. But we're not going to have to jack this up because this section right here is not dropped, only that section. So you can see how hollow it is. See right there, you can see up underneath it. I mean, it's pretty bad. So from right there, all the way around over here is going to be filled in with concrete and bricks and blocks and all that, stabilizing it. Now Scott's over here, and we're in the process of digging this out. Same thing. This whole area is basically, we're going to dig this area. He's starting to dig right in here, but we're going to dig down and get it all cleaned out all through here, all the way right here to the end, to this part right here where the rock's at. So all that's going to be dug out, and then we're going to stabilize it with bricks and blocks. And we're pulling all this stuff back, getting it where we can get in there. And we're going to fill all this in and seal it up. So that's our job today. The homeowner has hired us to do this. I mean, this is a beautiful home. We've actually, this is our first job working for this homeowner, but he has seen our videos and pictures online, and he has hired us because he trusts us, especially with an A1 rating. So all the concrete in here is fine, all the way around the whole pool. The only exception is this area right here that's dropped. Now, most people would have come in and said, well, we need to bust this concrete out and re-pour it. The problem is it would have never matched this existing concrete. It would have stood out like a sore thumb until mold and mildew builds back up on it and all that. But what we're doing is we're saving it. And that's really what you want, is a company that can come in and that can save it and improve it. So we appreciate y'all watching our videos. We'll show you a final video or some more as we're working on this. And we want you to call us. If you have any concrete, it doesn't matter if it's on your driveway, around your pool. We even stone these pools. We come in and we can stone all the way around this whole pool and put beautiful stone down through here. We can stone that patio right in here. Instead of it being concrete, we can make it beautiful color, stone. Wouldn't that be pretty? But it costs a little bit of money, but it's a beautiful accent. We do it all the time. So thank you so much for watching our videos, and we want you to call us. Go to repairs4yourhome.com. That's REPAIRS, 4 is FOR, your home, YOURHOME.com, and look at all of our pictures and videos and see if there's something that you like. And when we get there, you can show me online the color pattern and things like that you like, and we'll try our best to lay that color pattern. There's usually in stone, if I was going to stone this, either you do overall gray with a little bit of brown, or you do all brown with a little bit of gray. You do mixes. That's what we do. Okay, everything is looking so good. We've actually got this piece raised up, and the part right here now is lowered, and it's all flowing real good. I'll show you what we've done. We've had to dig up underneath here, and there's one of the jacks right there. And then, well, now we're getting ready to put concrete and everything else in there. And here's the other side. That's the other jack. So we've got it even. We've got it even, and now we're fixing to start putting materials and stuff up underneath this, and once all that hardens, that's going to keep it from basically falling. So this is it. I'm going to show you, looking back this way now, everything is even. See, it's an even, perfect, there's no trip hazard, nothing. That's flowing good. And over here, Scott's already started. The reason why we have a sledgehammer is because we take a sledgehammer and we hit the bricks and knock it up underneath there, which makes it more solid. So we're already starting to put, so we already got concrete with bricks in there right now. We're starting to handle this side too. So anyway, just wanted to show you kind of what we're doing and how we help homeowners and how we really save the homeowner money. And is that we raised this section up and we kept the concrete matching, and it just looks better. Cosmetically, this is so much better. So I'm actually walking on it now. But we're just in the process of finishing up. We'll take all this dirt. There's a lot of dirt right there we dug up. I mean, we're going to have to take all that dirt and fill in right in behind there once we get through with it. But we're also fixing to dig this side out all the way right through here. Over here to this point, we're going to fill this area in with concrete too. So just wanted to show you what we're doing. Everything's looking good. That right there.
All right, here we are, final video. Just want to show you how we filled in that crack. Everything has been leveled back off, and we put the dirt back and everything. As you see, kind of cleaned up everything through here. Let me show you what it looks like down here. Now, if you've got any problems on your driveway, concrete, anything, just let us know. We could come by and take a look at it for you. And if you give us the job, we can take care of it for you. We thank you for watching our videos. We really appreciate your time. And God bless you. Have a great day.
All right, back again with home maintenance masonry. And what you got here is where we filled in it. Get down on it so you can see it here. But we've got this thing filled in solid with concrete where we dug it out, filled it all the way in. You can see solid with concrete. Then over here, where we lifted this piece up, we've got it filled in solid with concrete. We was able to jack this thing up, get it back into a level position, and you can see where we filled in solid with concrete. Poured the concrete all the way up to the slab and sloped it down. I'm gonna keep that water from going back up underneath there. And we started right here, and this whole area was washed out with water. It was basically hollow under there. Well, we come all the way around like this, just kept going this way onto this slab, all the way to the sidewalk right here. If you have any problems like this on your swimming pool, sidewalks, driveways, any concrete work, we can come in, lift your slab back up, or we can tear it out and replace it, whatever it takes to fix anything that you have problems with. So just check out all our videos on repairsforyourhome.com and give us a call. We'll be happy to look at your job for you.